Hey guys, so if you've been following the channel for the last several months, you notice that I've been restoring a 2001 Boxster S back there, and it's been a great fun. But what you may not know is that this is my 13th Porsche. I started out with a 74 911 Carrera Targa, and when times would happen, I would buy and fix up and sell and buy and fix up and sell. So that's number 13 back there. During this whole 20-year span or so, I've never had a garage that I could call my own, that I could actually build and make into the ultimate Porsche DIY garage. And finally, I've achieved this. So last summer, we bought this home out here in the East Valley of Arizona, in Phoenix, Gilbert, Santan, Queen Creek area. And I wanted to show you what I started with and kind of where we're at now. And we're by no means done yet, but I want to show you what you guys can do on a budget to build out your garage at home to work on your Porsche or your car at home. So let's take a look. All right, so getting started here, I first went ahead and I measured up and made level. Even though our garage is not completely level, it kind of slopes down and out, so that way if it does get wet or there's water in there, it's easily brushed out. So I couldn't measure from the floor, so I just measured up from the floor, from the center line, leveled it, and then I screwed into the wall, doing the studs at 16-inch on center, my main support. Then with that, I built the actual bench from 2x4s. And then the legs, I cross-cut them to where they support from the bottom and the sides. And go ahead and I put all that together. Went ahead and just painted it black. Sanded it down. Made some adjustments. Then I came in with the top, which was 3/4 inch particle board. And I put that in, and again, painted it black because I figured it's going to get dirty and nasty. And that would be the best thing, is making sure it's black in color. Plus, if I need to touch it up again, I can if it gets mad. So, have the family out, my wife and daughter, checking on things, making sure I'm okay. Made another 2x4 I used for a backsplash there. Then I installed my new vise. This thing already has made life so much better in the garage when I need an extra set of hands but don't want to grab anyone. So I got that bolted down. Then I came in and started measuring for the boards that are going to hold up the pegboard on the wall. There's the pegboard, painted it that same blue. So this is what I started with. A garage with just a light and nothing more. That's it. No shelving on the sides. But then I took it upon myself to build a bench, install a TV, add some lighting, and now let me show you what my two-car garage looks like today. Pa-pow! Big difference on a budget. So let's take a look at what I've done to make this transition. Let's go. One of the first things I did was I installed these LED lights from Amazon, and of course I'll link at a description or whatever in the bottom. Pick these up yourself. You get 6 of these for like 40 bucks, and they're amazing. And I have them attached to my garage door because here in Phoenix, Arizona, it gets so freaking hot. No matter what time of year it is, I decided to put them on the garage door so when it's open, I have plenty of light for working on my car. Next, I took out the single bulb and I installed this very cool LED 3 light, again from Amazon, probably 60 bucks. Amazing light from it. All the shelving is from Amazon as well, and again I'll link a description to there. The toolbox, I bought the toolbox off of Craigslist, 100 bucks. Painted it in the Hazit tool color blue. Pa-pow! Made me a workbench, which I've showed you guys before earlier in this video. with my new vise so everything can get done. I got a pegboard that I'm slowly putting together, and that, a TV that I can watch YouTube videos on, I can review what I've made. Awesome. And then up here, because we're limited, I took the extra plug and I installed just a surge protector, and then I ran a line over and installed another one up there that powers the TV, and eventually I'll have lights up here that will shine down on the workbench so I can get stuff done. Kind of cool, yes indeed. So, and of course here's our 2001 Boxster S that we've been working on. We just did some maintenance to it. It's looking fabulous. So kind of give you an idea of what we've done. And again, you know, we're talking budget. The bench costs about 30 bucks in wood. The pegboard was about 20 bucks. The peg accessories, about 30 bucks. The TV I bought used for 40 bucks. The bracket to mount to the wall was about $30. The lights, you get a set of 6 for about $40. That LED light was $60. And so, and we're not done yet. We still have more to do. But you can see where we went from to this in our garage. So you don't need to have a ton of money to build the ultimate DIY Porsche garage. Kind of cool, huh, guys? All right.